With these singing birds by the Rochat brothers, expect a surge of emotions, poetry, music and technical prowess. Faithful to its history and a savoir-faire that had its golden age dating back in the 19th century, prestigious Swiss watchmaker Rochat Brothers is back on center stage with its passionate revival of one of the great watchmaking traditions of the past 2 centuries. The Rochat brothers are credited with having created over 200 singing birds, some of which have reached spectacular prices at auctions. Well positioned at the pinnacle of the luxury market, these singing birds' automata fascinate by the melodic power of their songs and the incredible precise choreography of their movements. To renew this art today posed no uncertain challenge, something that Petra Vermeulen, the CEO of Rochat Brothers, managed in the firm's out-of-the-way Valet de Joux workshops. 2 new models have been created, the Intemperis and the Babylon. This grand complication movement, assembled by the firm's master watchmakers, is made up of 1,227 components, 14 cams, a 12 semitone whistle that plays 4 different tunes, 74 rubies and a fusee barrel. The watch is set with diamonds, rubies and emeralds. As for the bird itself, it comes adorned with gold and precious stones. When the Intemperis and Babylon birds wake up, emerge from their nests and sing, that's when the magic happens. There's no doubt about it that Rochat brothers have risen to the incredible challenge of reviving one of the most unique legends in the history of the watchmaking world. To celebrate the renaissance of this exceptional creativity, the Imagine a Studio agency has created an ad campaign that is brimful of references to the savoir-faire of the Rochat brothers.